Okay, for those of you who want to know how to close a sunroof that won't close on a 2014 Jetta TDI, this is how this whole thing sits in here. You need to take off this the front part here, which is you can just pop it out, and then you got to pop out the section here, and there are screws here and here that need to be undone, and also screws there and there that need to be undone, and then this whole thing will come out. The whole thing will come out, and then you can get in here.
Unclip these.
And then you've got to, unclip those wires.
There's one.
That wire.
There's one in here.
That wire. And then
here, I think.
And then that wire, so that the whole thing comes out. And then you've got to go through this hole here, and that hole goes straight up into this hole right up in here, and you stick a Allen screwdriver up in there and turn it, and it's really hard to turn, but as you turn it you can manually close your sunroof. So this is a 2014 TDI Jetta, how to close your sunroof manually.